Here's an air conditioning filter that needs cleaning. Now, I tried cleaning it with a toothbrush with my foot there, and it doesn't do much. It's kind of, because the dirt's sticky in there. So this is how to clean these air conditioning filters. Put the filter in the sink. Most of them fit in there nice. Put a little soap, dish soap on it. Now you can take your toothbrush or a sponge and clean it. So I got to hang. Now there's one corner I just cleaned with this toothbrush I use for cleaning, and some dish soap done in the sink. Big difference. And I'll finish up with the rest of them. That's how to clean an air conditioning filter. And then put it outside in the sun to dry.